Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss how to fix chat history missing synchronize now. For example, if you open your messenger on a new device and after that you see here chat history missing synchronize now. So how you can fix that? So this is because as you have already saved your chat history and you have already set up a access chat history, which means if you try to log in your messenger on a different device and you have already provided synchronization on another device, then after providing a pin on another device you can get all the chat history of the messenger on other device also. So in this way you can simply synchronize all the chat details of your messenger account on any device you log in. So if you have already previously saved your chat history on previous device, then after that what you have to do, you have to simply click on synchronize now, and after that you will be able to see all of your chat history. But if you have do not have done that, then you have to simply click on three lines. After that you have to simply go to settings, and here what you have to do, you have to simply go to privacy and safety, and here what you have to do, you have to simply turn on the encrypted chat, and after that you have to check where your device has been logged in, and after that you can simply check all the chat history on any other devices, and in this way you can simply check all of your messenger chat history without any problem. So hope you have liked this video. If you get more videos like this, you can subscribe our channel.